Hello everyone, this is Sambhu from Cloud Tech. Hope you guys are doing well. I am also doing well. Today we'll talk about how we can launch a Windows EC2 instance and then how we can connect that EC2 instance from that remote desktop and how we can enable that RDP port. Basically, if you would like to connect any Windows EC2 instance, right, then we have to enable that RDP port 3389, right? So I will show you in that security group how we can enable that port, and then I will show you like how we can download that RDP client from that AWS console, or I will show you like from that Windows side. If you are using any Windows system, right, in that Windows system, we by default will have that remote desktop connection. By using that, how we can connect that particular Windows EC2 instance, right, or Windows server, right? I will show you that also, and then I will show you like how we can like convert that. Basically, while we are launching the EC2 instance, right, that time we used to attach that PEM file, and then but if you connect that particular this Windows system, right, and if you attach that PEM file, then I will show you like how we can convert that PEM file to password file. Okay, guys. So today's session I will cover these are the topic uh, what I told you, right? So let's move on to that AWS console and we'll show you like how we can launch AWS Windows EC2 instance, and then end of this session, I will show you like how we can terminate this Windows AWS EC2 instance so that it will be cost savings for you. Okay. Thanks for joining this session today, guys. So let's jump to the AWS console. Go to EC2 console. Instance. Something like that. And let's select this one. I'm going to use this default filter eligibility. Okay. And let's select this T2 micro and instance type. If you want, you can change that also and select the key pair. Okay. And let's select the security group. Advanced section, I will keep as it is default. I am not going to select anything. Okay. So let's launch this EC2 instance. So it is in pending state. Few seconds it will be in running state. Okay. It is running state, right? So suppose if you are not using Windows machine, right? Suppose we are using Mac, right? In that case, you have to download that RDB client so that you can connect this particular instance, right? So before that, let me show you that security group what we have attached, right, in this. So I have given like all the permission, all the protocol here, right? Or if you not attach that protocol, all the protocol, right? Suppose specific protocol you want to attach, right? RDP client, right? Then what we can do, we can edit the inbound rule and then we can add the rule, and there here we can select that RDP. Show you that. And port by default it will come this one, and if you want customize your IP, which instance IP you want to connect this particular EC2 instance, right? That also you can specify, or you can give my IP also as your wish, right? So let's select it from anywhere from this one and save it. And similarly, we have to set the outbound also like this. So edit outbound rule and then add. If you're not allowing the alt rule, right? In that case, this RDP we have to set and select anywhere from RDP before set. Okay. So like this, we can enable that RDP port to that particular security group which we have attached to this EC2 instance, so that it will be able to connect that. So let me show you that now RDP will come here. security. Now RDB came, right? Client is there, right? So now we enable that RDB, right? So let's go to that. Yeah, now RDB came, right? This port has become okay, and outbound also this port came, right? TCP RDB, right? So now suppose you are from Mac system, right? So let's select that EC2 instance and let's click on connect. And if you are from Mac or not in Windows, right, then let's download that desktop file for RDB client. So now I'm downloading that. So download is done and my user is administrator. So let me click this one and it will ask the password. So password we can get from here. So let's get password and upload that PEM file. Which PEM file we have attached to this particular EC2 instance, right? That PEM file we have to upload here and then we have to decrypt that password. So now password came. So let's go to here, paste that password. So now we're able to connect, right? This particular EC2 instance. And suppose you are in this, let me show you one more thing. Like suppose you are in this Windows only, right? By remote desktop, how we can connect, right? Let me show you that. This is connected. So now you can see all this browser, everything will come here. Let's just wait 2 minutes. Just doing all this configuration, right? So it has to come. Just came in. Like Windows, how it will be looks, right? So it will be like this, and here all the browser also it will come like Edge browser. Okay, so let me show you how from remote desktop we can connect. So let me close this. Okay, and let me search here. Stop. Okay, let me apps. Take the public IP or DNS, public DNS, and go to here. Just here, choose the option and use it. So let's select the user here. We have the user administrator. So let's select that user here. Now connect. Now it is asking for password. So let's give the password. So like this we can connect. Now it is connected, right? If you see, yeah, it is connected, right? It is connected. So like this we can connect that Windows server from Windows system by using remote desktop. And if you are in Mac or Linux system, then you have to download that RDB client like I showed you, right? So like this we can connect. So hope this session you guys will benefit. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friend. And if you have any doubt or any feedback, please put your valuable feedback in this video comment section. I will address in my next subsequent video. Okay, so let me close this and let me terminate this EC2 instance because unnecessary cost will come otherwise, right? So let's terminate. Yeah, thanks guys. We'll see you in my next video. Bye.